Hello friends, this is another doubt on positional tolerance. We'll just straight away get into the doubt now. If I am having a modifier in datum, whether I need to add bonus tolerance from the datum also to the actual whole? The answer is no. Whenever you have a modifier in the datum, then you will end up with datum shift. You will not get a bonus tolerance from the datum modifier. We have an example here. Positional tolerance is having a datum which is a feature of size with maximum material boundary. So here this maximum material boundary tells that when the part is produced other than the maximum material condition of the datum, then this slot can have a datum shift from this whole. So you cannot add this bonus tolerance to this positional tolerance and have a very wider positional tolerance. Same case with this positional tolerance also. Both B and C are feature of sizes with maximum material boundary specified. You cannot add the bonus tolerance of these two feature of sizes to this to get the positional tolerance. What you will end up is with datum shift by B and datum shift by C for these four holes only.